You. Oh, you come inside, that's a for rape me.
I and I man have better taste than that. But come and face a bumper.
Oh, so you are the Bubba Dread. We are this bumper for the white gal. Eh?
Blessed. Everything is everything, you know.
So how you get inside here?
The door was wide open, sister.
Well, close it on your way out now.
Yo. How you deal with Rasta, sir?
Oh, you want me to deal with you? Poor Kita.
Pork. You mentioned that in front of the Ras. Rasta no deal with them things there.
Me see you on my friend video. I eat our pork. You can imagine when I send that the video got Jamaica. I see the Bubba Dread and yam pussy. You figure trim.
Fireburn from Babylon. You was wicked for do that to Rasta. I did not eat that ranking meat. I was unconscious.
Unconscious? So how you know say it ranked?
Yeah.
Aye, tell me something. Why is it that Ras like you always affair with a white woman over a black woman? What them have?
Katrina.
What?
That's my wife's name, Katrina.
Whatever. You see me a half Chinese. But I love my black man. Because all of them can walk this your body, yeah. So tell me, Bobo, why is it that a Ras like you always affair with a white woman over a black woman? Why?
It not have nothing to do with color. It have to do with spirituality. You see, white women just more revolve, more intelligent. I mean, you check the black woman passage through the history of time. Always planning the black man downfall with a constant bickering and a suffering and a greed. Them is like parasite.
You don't talk, Batty boy.
I can't believe what happened in the end.
Go on. You see that girl about the place in the park?
Why you want to know that?
I'm a woman, you know, I try to find her.
I don't really inform, you know. I don't really do the inform thing, so I don't know. And plus, my memory not so good like that, so I not gonna remember, you know.
This could have boost up your memory, though. I can boost up your memory.
I mean, a short-term memory me have still, so I can remember a little thing, but nah guarantee I remember the full thing.
Remember good now?
Oh, yeah, man, I can remember a thing now, man. I can remember one thing now, I remember something, man. Yeah, I see her.
Where you see her?
Yeah, at this so now me I have memory problem now, you know. Cause as I tell you, my memory not so good. You do, I not really remember the full thing them like that.
Remember good, remember
Yeah,
good.
man, yeah, I remember now, man.
Please.
I remember one, two thing now, man. This year another plum tree there, so.
Are you playing? What type of playing is this?
What should I do?
You see a thing, you know. But I just remember.
Blood clot.
So I don't know if I can help me remember. Boy, I don't think that enough memory from my brain, you know, cause you have to remember say my memory not so good, you know. Yeah, and a whole heap of things I think about daytime, so yeah, you really have to help me remember that one, you know. Oh yeah man, I remember good now, man. I remember everything clear. Everything clear, I remember, yeah? I see her under the plum tree with a man, and them there do activities. If you want to know the kind of activities, you have to help me remember that. You know that you can't give me a free memory? Hey, no, I know how my brain work. How you do me, sir? I know how my brain work. My brain need food. I give the whole of my money, you know. Can't operate without food. I give the whole of my money, you can't give me a free memory. Yeah, me I say no, my general. You sound like you know I'm remember nothing, you know. So here what, me I lift up. I don't see where you're there. Blood clot. Don't see where you're there. I'm not too deep on that, yeah?
Blood.
See where
Hi, Prince Aretha. I've been thinking about you.
What him doing?
Whenever we quarrel, him pretend to call him girlfriend.
Me I call it for my new black cherry.
Black cherry?
You know, make me jealous. You think I don't know that you're not talking to anybody?
That's what you thought. Sorry about that, Punsy.
Well, hey, you're going to need the phone battery.
Prince Aretha, make me put in the phone battery and call you back.
Black cherry. Oh, Prince Aretha.
Honey, can I ask you a question? It's about the children. I want them to come and live with us.
No, they are not my responsibility.
But you're them stepfather.
Step your claw through my door.
But after them own a father don't want to look after them.
And you expect me to? Is that fair? Eh? Is that answer me?
No.
I didn't hear you.
I said no.
So why the backside you pressuring me to look after another man's sperm? Eh? Why?
Well, how you have to take the calf to dog?
Ah! Baby, you not ready.
So what am I supposed to do?
What you ask me for? I mean, breed you? Eh? What? Hey! Keep out of this, it don't concern you.
How you expect me to feel, eh? How you expect me to feel? Every day you walk up and down with your children and picture in your pocket. How you expect me to feel?
I don't give a backside how you want to feel. I'm married picking them. Me walk with them if I want to. I can't walk with them, picture them frame a whole album if I want to.
Charles.
Eh?
Are the sun or the moon that?
I don't know, I don't live in this area.
By the way, you was late this morning.
I know, but I couldn't help it. I had to go down to the police station.
You what?
My brother is with the police.
I didn't know your brother in the police force.
No, man, you're mad. He have ambition. He is not a police, but the police hold him.
So what them hold him for?
Because they see me walk with his finger like this, because he have stiff finger, and them hold him saying he's a pickpocket.
Ah, so your brother is a pocket picket?
No, man. He is not a pocket picket. I mean, picket pocket. No, he's nothing like that, man. That's why I go and bail him.
You're still late?
Yes, but I'm way back I get a puncture tire.
Then how you manage to puncture your tire?
Me run over one bottle.
So, voila. You never see the bottle?
No. The drunk man have it in his pocket.
You're still late?
Yes, but at the same time now the truck driver run over my brother.
So, the driver never see your brother?
Yes, but he never knows you're my brother. He not even know me.
So your brother dead?
No, but the doctor said if he not dead, he will live. You're going to call me fool again?
Yes, a big man like you so stupid.
Tell me, you know how old I am?
Of course.
How old am I?
Hola. $32.
How you know?
Because I have a little brother who is 16 and him is a half idiot. This is my wife and this is my side chick. But I'm breaking up with both of them. You know why? Who is Low Battery?
Low Battery is my man.
Because I was looking at your phone and her phone and I saw a message flash across the phone screen. Low battery, battery low, 15%. And I'm asking you who is Low Battery and you say is your man? Low Battery is your man. So, who is fully charged? Battery low, low battery, low battery. Give me the laugh like last video. Rough.
Jamaica is not a real place.
Hello, it's me, yeah. I just got my phone on lock and it's working now. I can use it, I can call you anytime.
Papi, it is your girlfriend, Papi?
Yeah, that's my heartbeat. Yeah, and leave some of that stew piece for me with that saltfish tail in it. You know I like that, yeah.
Papi, it's
1 minute.
$5,000, Papi.
1 minute. How much?
$5,000, Papi.
1 minute. Lock it back. Mr. Phil, lock it back.
Rather me not turn like me enjoy myself tonight, man. Champagne pop, bottles pop. But right now me hungry. Pull up at the McDonald's and me order something.
Welcome to McDonald's. Can I take your order?
Yes, I'd like a Happy Meal, a McDouble, a McChicken, and a big Whopper, a Whopper Junior, and more sour cream, barbecue sauce, 3 Sprite, and 3 nuggets, please.
Hold
right
on them, man. How who I go pay for all of that way does order?
But now you take me out of my friend them, me hungry.
Me never blood clot carry you so harder the whole blood clot menu. You harder Happy Meal, Simple Meal, Flappy Meal, every blood clot meal. Oh, you love your belly, so man?
Look here! And you take me out of a blood clot house. And now you carry me on the blood clot street. Me hungry and me need food? No! Me want food? No! You gonna feed me? No!
I want find a mad girl, your father God, you youth. How when them find a mad girl and me done with this? Take the car, bitch! Take the car! Let's see the next time me and your parent a boy even look on you too hard and I call to you and you even smile, you're gonna know what gonna happen to you.
And what did that boy, man?
What do who?
We don't stop watch me.
Who I watch you? I want you.
Our face, man.
So we ain't got blood clot do about it. Yeah. Stop blood clot this up. Hey boy, how we are rank with? Make me blood clot joke. Me want dead today. No naked man can blood clot save the general. Hey boy, you wanna do? Try set me up like no doubt. I've been you now try to get something to talk about me. As a matter of fact, me never want blood clot joke today again.
I'm gonna keep it real with y'all tonight. I never said this one here, but this is the true story. You know what I learned about all West Indians? That y'all don't know each other's name at work. Like black and Spanish people, we know everybody at the job. I don't give a fuck if we keep the job for a week. We know every nigga at that job. The first day you get the job, you introduce yourself. You get there, you like, hey, I'm like, hey, I'm Rashid. Hey, Rashid, I'm Dave. Dave, nice to meet you. I'm Rashid. I'm Charles. Charles, my pleasure. I'm Rashid. I'm John. John, nice to meet you. West Indian. Y'all niggas call each other by the name of the job you do. Fellas, you ever work construction? You ever hear this shit? Carpenter. Call an electrician and tell him to blow my loaf out here. The guy at the job can die. The West Indian dude don't even know who died. You get to work the next day, your man John be like, Dave died. You like, Dave died? How the fuck Dave died? He said when y'all left, he was working on the window. He fell out the window. The police, the media, everybody was here. You can't believe this shit. You like, what? You tell a Jamaican dude, you like, Winston, Dave, Daddy, keep on working. No, I'm sorry, I don't know no Dave. You like, nigga, Dave. Dave, that work with you every fucking day. Dave, fuck is you saying? You fell out the fucking window and died, you gonna fucking say you don't know Dave? What's wrong with you? This nigga keep right on working. Really? That's fucked up, you know. Nigga, that's all you gonna say is that's fucked up, stupid idiot. Dave, your partner, the carpenter. Bombaclad! Carpenter dead! How the carpenter dead? You never say carpenter dead? You said deal. I don't know no deal. Carpenter me know. Can't go to work today, my youth. Carpenter dead. Well, she said deal. I don't know no deal. Then the Jamaicans say some funny shit. They say some shit like, my heart hurting. My heart hurting me, you know. Your heart. Then they put the H where it don't belong. Yes, inside my body. My heart hurting. This shit is crazy. Is that life for me? Okay. I got a before
That me I tell you, brother, if you want my shoes in my you, me gear, make you go bust it on them. I pay them no man, no dog. If you want weed, me buy a pound of weed gear in the dog. Brother, if you want my girl, me gear my girl for fuck her, brother. They say it there. You feel a joke? They say you like. Watch her. Okay. You see that? Pussy fat, dog. Anytime you're ready for fuck my girl, make me know, dog. That's for the support, that's me assure. Bro, and that is all I need. Only support. Yeah, that. Because all the things set right now in the dog. My man is not a bad man, but I be a bad man. Cutlass in a link in the dog. Nah, run left here now. That me I tell you, daddy, the thing different you know, daddy. The man can ramp with the life for them usually.
Give me every blood clot, bumper ass clot, punani, pump, pussy clot, everything. Where's the other? Do the right thing now?
So, oh, you say you're a thief and you don't even have no gun or knife or rob me nothing with. I say you just rob me unarmed. Yo, you're a bait, you know. Yo, you're a bigger bait than me, brother. I show your face them thumping. Because where you do right now, no make no sense. I tell you, oh, look clap, joker,
come on, relax yourself, brother.
Just a come from the machine, I'll be a fly them, give me, just don't kill me for that, please, me I beg you.
Phone, man.
Phone, just don't take my life, please, me have 2 hands there, and me can't dead.
Relax yourself, man, calm yourself. Me now make a deal with your answer, man, relax yourself, brethren. Respect for food, same way, you know? Yeah, man, respect, see. Dog shit, boy, man. I should shit up your blood clot, sir.
An accident.
You're batting on a man has to blood clot.
You pull out the gun. You pull out the gun and frighten me. So that's why that happened.
Me nobody want to rob you.
Let me show you this as an example. You see your youth them. You see like how you love them. And you show them love.
When you come a road and see other people picnic love them same way and show them love. Cause you see if you not do that, people are gonna eat for you picnic them like poison. And you not gonna like it, brother. And you gonna consider say what happen make people eat for you picnic them. So who for picnic your blood clot like? Talk to me no man, who for picnic you like? So people are idiot for you and for your bumbo clot picnic them. Eh? People are idiot for you and them. Yeah, I wanna like nobody and them picnic. Who no kiss people ass and fuck off.
Yes, sir.
I mean I talk.
Yeah, man, that's
remember good man. How you share, how your blood clot eat. No say go. Alright, how you spread your bed so you lie down.
Yes, sir.
Yeah man, so if you spread tough bed, my soft bed you want to lay down for me spread.
And a tough bed.
And a tough bed you spread. Go on where you go.
Was sleeping and
we were sleeping.
Yeah, and
we were sleeping. Hear Prince screaming. When Prince screaming to water, when you jump up and look, there is water. Many water like Elsha. That type of water was there. I will want back everything. Cause we live here on Sunlight Street from here 2 months old. Just one out of my mother. Left here. From me at 29, me left Sunlight Street, so here me never have been seen my yard flood out yet, or any house in the carpet here in Sunlight Street flood out yet. Never had been seen this yet. I there here before my maiden take and me never see it yet. So anybody see them lie, cause we never see it yet. I want back.
Where are the France school so late? Where are the France
No,
school so
mommy.
late? No, mommy. No, mommy, what? Listen, what? Listen to
Rain
what?
did not fall.
Rain did not fall down your toe. Eh? Rain did not fall down your toe.
No, mommy, listen.
Me feel listen?
No, when school over.
When school over? Eh?
No, he did this, Mr. Late too. He did this. He did this, Mr. Late too, mommy. Because we did that the concert at NI school, Miss Mommy. And then after that now, when we got there,
That kind of frightened after reaching.
Aww. You love Beba? Tell Beba I love you. That carry your foot stink, man. Your shoes wet up.
Hi guys, welcome once again to my YouTube channel. I am Michelle, and if you're watching me for the first time, kindly don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and even comment. And to my returning subscriber, I really want to appreciate the love and the support you're showing me. I'm really grateful. I do appreciate so much. So guys, in today's clip, you all have seen Jamaican patois language in comedy. We all see that Jamaican patois language has become a language that is being admired by many people, is a language that is being practiced by many people, and is a language that many people enjoy talking, and many people also enjoy listening to it. It has become a language that is practiced worldwide. It has become a language that you can speak to any part of the country, any part of the world, because it is admired. It is being practiced by many people all over the world. Those people comedies are in Jamaican patois language. Jamaican patois language is coming out so fast and being practiced by also our leaders. Jamaican has the best. He is just the best at everything. In their patois language, they are being copied. In their food, Jamaica has the best food. They believe that those food are the ones that they are making them strong, and they are making their sportsmen and sportswomen fast and have strong bonds. Jamaican believe in healthy foods, which is admired by many people because they are the only people who still eat healthy foods. Other countries prefer foods that are manufactured, but Jamaica is the only country that are still in natural foods. Like Jamaica national food is ackee and saltfish, a food that is being practiced all over the world to be cooked, a food that many people love it, a food that many people want to know the recipe. Jamaica is just winning in everything. Jamaica is just coming up so high. We all know Jamaica has the best and the fastest runners. Let's talk about Usain Bolt, who is one of the fastest runner, and nobody has ever broken a record that he broke. These people make sure when they are in that field, nobody is coming to outsmart them. They outsmart other countries, but they are never outsmarted. These people do their things with one heart. They make sure that they are the center of attention. They make sure that they makes their country proud. When you hear about Caribbean, the only country you will think of is Jamaica. When somebody talks about Caribbean, the only country you'll think of is Jamaica, because this is a small island that is well known by many people. It's a small island that has a lot of good reputations. It is a small island that is being admired by many people. It is a small island that a lot of people would want to visit it because it has a lot of praises. When you go to this social media, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, it's all about Jamaica, and Jamaica has become a country that is mostly talked about in these social medias, in TVs, in everywhere. Everywhere you go, you will see anything to do with Jamaica, and those things that they have found there they are only good things. So far, I've not seen any bad thing about Jamaica. Their beaches, they have beautiful beaches that tend to be found in Nollywood movies. Can you imagine? Jamaica has the best beaches. Jamaica is just awesome. One of the best things that makes me love Jamaica the most is these people are united. These people live like a family. These people value brothers and sisters. Even though they are not sharing the same blood, but they believe that unity is the what bring brotherhood and sisterhood. They believe that sisterhood and brotherhood is the most precious thing in a country. They value sisterhood and brotherhood, which is one of the most interesting thing about Jamaica. When you go to Jamaica, many people who have come from Jamaica, they come back saying that these people know how to treat visitors. These people know how to welcome. They treat people equally. They do not have racism. These people are the best people when it comes to welcoming visitors. They value your presence in their country. These people are one of the best countries you would want to visit one day is Jamaica. As for me, I wish one day, if God's give me enough money, if God's enables me with more life, with everything, I'd like to visit Jamaica. If one day I get a chance to visit Jamaica, I'd be the happiest woman on earth, because what I see on TVs and what I see on social medias, I'd like to see them in real life, because they are amazing. They are beautiful. I want to come back with that experience. I want to come back and tell you that experience. I want to explore more about Jamaica. I'd like to tell you more about Jamaica when I find that opportunity to go there. But Jamaica is just an amazing country. It's just an beautiful country. It's small but pretty. It's small but it's just Jamaica has the best music, a music that is trying to be copied all over the world, and has the best reggae musicians. We all know that our country, here in my country, Kenya, people are trying to sing reggae. People are trying to sing dancehall. Because they're trying to be like Jamaica, they're trying to copy their taste of music because their taste of music is good. Nobody can deny that. Nobody, unless you don't have a good taste of music. But Jamaica has the best taste of music, has everything good. Jamaica has everything good. Jamaica has everything pretty. Jamaicans are the only people who have never denied their ancestral background. They know their ancestral background and they have never denied it. So, guys, let's watch the video. Subscribe, share, like, and comment for more videos. Bye.